Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you new age affiliate film series review. So what actually is a new age affiliate film series? The new age affiliate film series is the ultimate shortcut for anyone who wants to start a widely profitable affiliate marketing business but doesn't know where to begin. Creator of this product, the new age affiliate film series, Branson Thai and his team, and this product goes live on 22nd of September 11 a.m. EST. Guys, right now I'm in the sales phase of this product, the new age affiliate film series. This film series is a must-watch for anyone who wants to start a widely profitable affiliate marketing business. Guys, do you want to start a affiliate marketing business? Must watch this film series. Okay, and Copy, Fast and Profit. Copy and Fast this wild controversial affiliate formula and start getting 30 to 70 plus affiliate sales in the next 30 days without complicated softwares, blogging, social media followers, posting reels, TikTok solo ads, or sending DMS to strangers. They will teach you everything how to start affiliate marketing and get 30 to 70 plus affiliate sales in the next 30 days. Okay guys, I'm going to show you step by step all the information about this product, new age affiliate film series. I'm going to show you also quick demo what you will get inside the members area. So don't skip this video before watching demo. Guys, do you prefer to read full review? Link in my video description below. This is my blog, Passive Money University. I wrote the full review about this product, new age affiliate film series here. Here is a lots of information I put, like what is new age affiliate film series all about. New age affiliate film series works 3 simple steps. Here is the complete product overview. And I've also put the official demo of this product, the new age affiliate film series. And here is the instructor, Branson Thai. He launched lots of software successfully on Warrior Plus Marketplace. He's also top 5% vendor on Warrior Plus, guys. He's a legit guy, so no problem. Okay, here's the new age affiliate film series spacers. What you will get exactly, you can see here everything. And the new age affiliate film series OTOs and pricing options. I put all the OTOs, guys, about this product here, and the front end offer only $7, but this product have 3 OTOs. You can see OTO number 1, OTO number 2, OTO number 3, the 3 OTOs of this product, new age affiliate film series. Okay guys, and new age affiliate film series frequent asked questions. I think these questions and answer will help you to purchase this product. And this is the bonuses that I will give you totally free. Also this creator, Branson Thai, will give you lots of bonuses. You can see all those bonuses on the sales pages, guys, so stay tuned. I'm going to show you everything. Okay, and if you purchase this product through via my link, I will give you this $3,745 plus value bonuses that will help you to generate more money from online. I will give you lots of software, lots of marketing materials, guys, that I personally use all of my online businesses. Okay, honestly speaking, I am as an affiliate. I promote this new age affiliate film series. I think this will help you to make money from online, and this is a legit course. This is the info product, guys, actually. That's why I share it. I share this for you. Okay, and I will also give you my bonuses that you can see here, all of my 30 exclusive bonuses, guys, that I will give you. You can see my 30 exclusive bonus is here, and I will also give you my special bonuses, how to build a profitable email list. End of the video I'm going to show you the secret. Okay guys, how to claim your bonus. You can see all those info, and also 30 days money back guarantee this new age affiliate film series, so you have no problem. This is me. Also this product creator, the instructor, Branson Thai, is a legit guy, so you have no problem to purchase from them. Okay guys, right now I'm going to introduce a step by step all the information about this product, new age affiliate film series. So what is new age affiliate film series? You already know new age affiliate film series is the ultimate shortcut for anyone who wants to start a widely profitable affiliate marketing business. Okay, and everything is here. Here is how easy the new age affiliate film series really is. Your 3 easiest steps to affiliate my story. Step number 1, access. Get instant access to the new age affiliate film series. Step number 2, copy and paste the secret affiliate formula into your own affiliate marketing business. Step number 3, make sales. Make affiliate sales every single day like clockwork. Okay, they will teach you everything inside the members area. I'm going to show you also a quick demo, guys, so stay tuned. Right now I'm going to show you complete product overview, then I'm going to show you demo. The product name is New Age Affiliate Film Series. Vendor name is Branson Thai. Launch date is 22nd of September, 11 AM EST. This is the New York time actually, guys. And official website is here, so you have no problem to check out the official sales pages information. Just click here and check out all the information. And the front end price only $7. This is the one-time payment. And bonus is $3,745 bonus. Guarantee 30-day money back guarantee, guys, of this product. Okay, right now, guys, I'm going to show you quick demo. This demo created by the product creator Branson Thai. He explained well, that's why I shared the same demo that I put here on my blog. You can also check out all those information on my blog. Okay, so let's see the quick demo, guys. Okay, stay tuned and attention please.
Hey guys, this video is gonna be a quick walkthrough and basically an overview on what it looks like inside the New Age Affiliate Film series. So when the customers purchase this product, they're gonna get invited into this community group, and then within this community group they have like different components, right? Number 1 is that we do have a community, our affiliate mind community. Basically people can post and ask questions here and get answered. I myself and the team members will answer the question within the post, and then these are just some of the beta members that just joined earlier, and then they're posting some questions, we're answering them. And also the classroom, within the classroom they're able to get access to the front end product and also the upgrades. So let's say the front end product, and then it's actually not yet completed. We still yet to add in the welcome video and some bonuses section, but basically these are the core content that's up there. And then for example we have phase 1, 2, 3, 4, and then within each phases there are like different lessons and modules. It's like a series of film, and then they can basically just play the video. So it is like, you know, me giving the what's that called, the lesson here, right, within the video. And then we do also have transcription available, so that some people, they prefer to read rather than watch, right? So we have transcription available for the video as well. They can mark done when they are done with the content. And also for certain modules, we do create certain resources, pin-up or action items to help them to reinforce their learning. Say for example this one, definition of affiliate marketing, and then the internet is a bit slow here, it's not popping up. Yep, so basically it's like a pin-up to help them to basically summarize their learning into one simple graphic. So say for example the concept of niche 2.0, and then let's say we have this, we show them for example, right? So basically these are the learnings in the classroom. They get access to the product, and then they also have the calendar. Basically is our weekly live Q&A call. We're gonna go live on 22nd of September, and then 1 week from the launch date we're gonna start having the call. As you can see, 29, and then they can click on here and basically join the live Zoom call. And as you can see here, it's basically laid out throughout the year. So basically that's a live Q&A call, and also we do have a leaderboard to like gamify this and then to reward members who are active. So basically these are just for a front end. Can you imagine the value that we're giving here? The community that actually have people to answer and support them, the Q&A call, right, and also the classroom with the lessons and all that. Just for $7 they're getting all that, right? People charge these for like high ticket prices for service like this. So you are doing a great service for your customers if you promote the New Age Affiliate Film series to them. Well, it's really a good product, and of course it's not perfect by all means, right? But then we strive to improve, and we'll ship out the product first, and then we'll keep improvising and basically iterate over time, right? We're gonna keep on upgrading and basically tweak the content. We're gonna add in more lessons. We're gonna change something once we get the feedback from the customers, and then if they, let's say, if they buy certain upgrades, for example, the bundle, the OTO1, we're gonna deliver them here as well. And this is not the final product yet. We're still gonna basically polish them and add in some videos. But I just want to give you the framework, like the skeleton of this, basically this product, right, and show you what's inside. So this is the real deal, right? We are putting in a lot of effort, a lot of manpower, and a lot of value upfront to prove to the customers that we can actually help them. So that's what you're gonna promote in the new age of affiliate film series. That's what your customer is going to receive. So once again, we go live on 22nd of September at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'll leave the JV page link beneath this video, and also if you need anything, you can just reach out to me or our assistant Nancy. If you haven't received basically a PM already, I will just basically create a group chat between three of us, me, you, and Nancy, so that we can get in touch, connected, and then we're gonna give you the review access so that you can join the community as well, and then you can check out everything like a review access. And also if you need anything, any update and announcement, Nancy is gonna keep you posted, and I'll be there inside as well. So I think that's all for this video. Remember to mark down your calendar, 22nd of September at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. New Age of Affiliate Film Series is going to launch on Warrior Plus. We have $2,500 in cash prizes. Of course, reciprocation, great product, good funnel. So I'll see you there. Thanks a lot.
Okay guys, I hope you fully understand about this product, the new Age Affiliate Film Series. Also, they will provide over-the-shoulder step-by-step video tutorials inside the members area. Okay, and here's the about instructor Branson Tai. Branson Tai is one of the most famous digital marketers as well as software creators in the world. After many failures, this six-figure marketers has succeeded with many digital products. Okay, I can't remember all of them, but I can list some of them, such as Browse and Bank and the Phantom Store Builder, Read for Money, etc. Now let's look at the next part of this new age affiliate film series review and find out its features. And here's guys, you can see the new age affiliate film series features. New age affiliate film series will teach you page number 1, the beginning of everything; 2, the art of prescription; 3 is customer acquisition system; 4th is traffic unleashed. And here is, you can see the secret 1, secret 2, secret 3, secret 5, secret 6, and all the secrets they will provide. Okay, new age affiliate film series pricing and OTOs is here. For a limited time, you can grab new age affiliate film series with early bird discount price in these options below. Let's pick the best suited options for you before this special offer gone. The front end new age affiliate film series is $7, and the OTO number 1 is affiliate accelerator bundle, $97, and you will get all those features. Okay, and OTO number 2 is traffic mastery, $147. Guys, believe me, the product is very high quality, but price is very low, okay, because they will provide lots of value. And OTO number 3, the final OTO, email marketing secrets, $1 trail, then $97 per month. Email marketing plus best collections of email campaign and automation sequence. Secret swipe pile, how to build an email list. Just click here and build your email list, easy way. Okay, and here is guys, you can see the new age affiliate film series frequently asked questions. What exactly is the new age affiliate film series? You can see that everything is here. And what is the new age affiliate film series for? New age affiliate film series is especially designed for anyone that wants to start and grow a widely profitable affiliate marketing business but doesn't know where to begin. It is also for affiliate marketers who want to get affiliate sales every single day consistently and predictably. And why is it only $7? The price for the new age affiliate film series is normally $47, but as part of pre-launch marketing campaign to gather testimonials. I'm giving it away for the special price for just $7 USD. Once I have gathered enough testimonials, I will raise the price back to $47. So grab it now while you still can. And when do I get access to the film series and all the bonuses? Immediately you get instant access to the film series and all the exclusive bonuses. As soon as you complete your order, you can get started right away. How do I get help if there is issues with my forces? They are here ready to help you succeed. Simply send your questions to their support email. Here you can see the support email, and affiliateschool.com, and they will respond within 24 hours. And what if I decide this is not for me? No problem at all, because you are fully protected by their insane 30-day money back guarantee. It is simple. Put everything to that test, and if you don't see the amazing life-changing value, then just shoot me an email and they will give you your money back with no question asked. I will even let you keep the film series anyway. This is the fairest way I know how to provide to you know how effective the new age affiliate film series really is. Okay guys, so you have no problem. This is zero risk. And here is all of my bonuses. You can see here guys. Okay, my third exclusive bonus. And how to claim your bonus. Just two simple steps to claim your bonuses. Your bonuses will be delivered inside your Aria Plus password delivery. If you have any problem in receiving your bonus, you can email us guys. Okay, and I will give you also my special bonuses here. Top 21 high quality filler ebooks. Just give away these ebooks and collect email. This is the right way to build a profitable email list. Also 30 days money back guarantee this product, new age affiliate film series. Okay guys, right now I'm just going to jump the sales pages and I'm going to show you over the sales page overview. Okay, here is how easy the new age affiliate film series really work. Okay, just copy and paste system. They will teach you everything how to start affiliate marketing business. Okay, and they will provide bonuses. Bonus number 1, your customization bonus plan valued $497, and they will provide totally free. And bonus number 2, this is the vendor bonus guys, secret report, the 7 deadly mistakes of affiliate marketers. And bonus number 3, affiliate mind private community. And bonus number 4, weekly live ask me anything and question and answer, question and all. Bonus number 5, personal one-in-one blueprint consultation. This is all the vendor bonus guys, and this is absolutely amazing product, only $7. I recommend you can grab it. This is the creator. I hope guys you enjoy this video. I think this will help you to start your online business. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. Thank you. See you soon my next video.